This is the Bionaire BDH001 Dehumidifier in white. It is suitable for use in rooms up to 30 metres squared. This dehumidifier is approximately 54 centimetres high and 24 centimetres wide. It has 4 speed settings: 40, 50, 60 and 100%. Lifting the lid increases the intake. Setting up the dehumidifier is very simple because all you need to do is plug it in and switch it on. It doesn't make a lot of noise, and even when left on overnight, the dehumidifier doesn't disturb anyone. The power output is 190 watts. There is an indicator on the top of the dehumidifier to signal that the tank needs emptying. The tank is a 3-litre tank and is very easily emptied. If you're using the dehumidifier to remove a large amount of water, there is a pipe attachment which can be attached to the back, so that you've got a permanent attachment and permanent flow of water can be taken from the dehumidifier. This dehumidifier comes with a 2 years manufacturer's warranty as standard.